Hello, class. I wanted to go ahead and go over one of your questions in Alex that should be pretty quick because we've done it in a DQ already. I just want to sort of remind you to remember to look back at your DQ Excel documents and see if they're helpful, especially with a lot of these financial questions. You're going to find that we use a lot of the same formulas. Remember on our DQ, we talk about the formula and then what it looks like in Excel. So you can sort of match up the formulas you see here with what you're dealing with in Alex, and hopefully it can be a pretty quick process of just reusing what you already have done. So on this DQ, it is self-grading, so you should know it's correct, and you should also have feedback telling you it's correct or not. So if it is correct, then this is all set up for you and ready to go. So anytime you see these formulas or these situations, you should be able to just reuse the document. So let's see what we're working with here. So we're finding the future value of an annuity. And it says that we're making yearly payments of $333, interest rate of 3%. It's compounded annually, so we'll just need to be careful with the compounding here. And the payments will be made at the end of each year. Find the total value after 9 years. Okay. So with this situation, we're investing money over and over and over. We're continuing to deposit money, $333 every year. So when we look at our formulas, our situations here, the first one is we're just making one deposit and we're letting it sit, and it's compounding, or not compounding, it's earning interest as it goes through with the simple interest there. For the second situation, again, we're depositing one big lump sum and we're letting it earn interest compounding monthly for 4 years. The last situation on our DQ is we're investing $109.90 monthly. Remember, your numbers might be a little different than mine depending on the name that you put in at the top. But we're putting in money over and over. In this situation, it's monthly. In our example, we're doing it yearly. Same idea, you're still investing money at a certain time over and over. So what we can do is this bottom situation should be set up for us. So let me try to get that there. Okay. So instead of investing $109.90, I'm investing $333. So I'm just going to enter that. And then instead of 5.07%, I'm working with 3%. So let's do 3%. Now, n equals 12 is compounded monthly. There's 12 months in a year. So in our case, it's compounded annually, so once a year. So n equals 1. You may also see something like compounded quarterly. There's 4 quarters in a year. So that n will change a little bit, depending on what it states in the problem. And this time we're dealing with 9 years. So I hit enter, I have all my values updated. Since we used cell reference, Excel should also update automatically for us. And we're looking for the total value. So how much is in the account at the end. So that's our first box here. It's our total value or future value. So we have $3,382.98. So we can go ahead and type that in, make sure that we have it typed in correctly, and check our answer. So just a quick video to remind you, look back at your Excel documents you've already done, your major assignments, your DQs. They can be used on your Alex homework, or you can just use Excel in general. All right, hope that was helpful.